Question 10 was fairly straightforward. I'm just going to talk through the mark scheme which I've put on the board here. You can see it says prove, and it gives us the thing by counterexamples. That means we've just got to find one that doesn't work. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, and it's given us two matrices to use. All you've got to do is think about, well, what does commutative mean? A bit of a hint, it involves multiplication. Let's multiply them both ways round. So you do a times b, okay? Remembering that, for example, 32 is 3 times negative 1 plus negative 5 times negative 7. There, and so on. And then we want to multiply them the other way round. So that's b times a. Okay, now there's a method mark for both of those, so if you make a slip somewhere and one of your elements is wrong, you'll still get those two marks. Well, it's quite obvious that these two answers here are not the same. So we need a statement. At the very least you need AB is not equal to BA for your accuracy mark there. For this mark as well, both of these need to be correct. Okay. Now, the one thing that a lot of people did miss out on was one, getting one of these elements wrong with some little slip in adding up. So I would say, remember, if you've got time, check these in your calculator. The other thing is a lot of people forgot to write a conclusion. When you do proof or a show that question, your final line should always quote back what you were trying to show or prove. So our final line should say that matrix multiplication is not commutative. So that means that AB is not equal to BA. The minimum words that you needed for this mark, an exclamation mark, were not commutative, along with AB is not equal to BA.